Comparison of adverbs. Similar to adjectives, adverbs also have 3 degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. If the adverb is of one syllable, its comparative forms by adding er or r, and its superlative by adding est to the positive. Let's see some comparison of adverbs word. Fast, faster, fastest. Hard, harder, hardest. Long, longer, longest. Late, later, latest. Loud, louder, loudest. Large, larger, largest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Adverbs ending in ly form the comparative by adding more and the superlative by adding most. Okay, let's see some comparison of adverbs word. Beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. Carefully, more carefully, most carefully. Clearly, more clearly, most clearly. Rapidly, more rapidly, most rapidly. Skillfully, more skillfully, most skillfully. Swiftly, more swiftly, most swiftly. Gently, more gently, most gently. Wisely, more wisely, most wisely. Some adverbs are compared irregularly. Okay, let's see them. Far, farther, farthest. Late, later, last. Little, less, least. In, inner, inmost. Much, more, most. Near, nearest, next. Up, upper, upmost. Well, better, best. Some adverbs do not have degrees of comparison. They are now, then, where, there, once, not, already, again, always, yesterday, etc. Thanks for watching.